What do you do if you've injured your neck in a car accident? Now, neck injuries in a car accident are absolutely one of the most common types of injuries that people experience after a car accident. And this can happen at a low speed impact, high speed, or obviously a significant impact. But many of our clients come to us and they don't quite understand what exactly they should do after a neck injury with a car accident. And the purpose of this video is to enlighten you as to the appropriate steps. So first, get yourself emergency medical treatment. If you have to go to the hospital or to an urgent care, get that set up and taken care of immediately. Unfortunately, if you go to a hospital or an urgent care, it is unlikely they're going to be able to do very much for a neck injury. But if it's a broken bone or something like that, then there are more options at an emergency medical facility. But likely they're going to just simply release you with a neck sprain or strain. So the next step is, if you don't have to go to a hospital or an urgent care, get yourself set up with some type of orthopedic doctor, physical therapist, or a chiropractor immediately after the accident. And then I would contact a car accident lawyer. We deal with neck injuries after car accidents day in and day out. Therefore, we know the medical professionals and specialists that are used to handling those types of accidents. And we can guide you and give you perhaps a list of providers that are close to you, that are convenient for you, and that you can then see to get treatment for your neck injury. Now, the next step in a car accident claim really is to figure out what type of injury you have. And again, your medical professional will be advising you as far as those types of injuries, but the general and most common types of injuries to your neck are either a neck sprain or strain, and then a bulge or a herniation, and of course in a more extreme situation, some type of fracture to the bone, but again, those are more rare. In order to find out exactly the severity of your injury, you likely will be referred off for an MRI. Now, you may have been given an X-ray with the chiropractor or even at the hospital. X-rays really are not sensitive enough to determine the extent of any type of soft tissue injury, which would then lead to your sprain, strain, bulge, or herniation. Now, the last step in the process is really to figure out what type of medical treatment you need. So the way it works is you usually start off with conservative care for your neck injury after a car accident, and that would be either physical therapy or chiropractic. And depending on the extent of the injury, then you will graduate up to perhaps injections or, in an extreme case, surgery. So those are the general steps that our clients take after a car accident where they've experienced a neck injury. If you have any questions about your car accident claim, please contact us. Our consultations are always free.